Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IMGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green lines down here are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is just do some house cleaning and get rid of that line. And I'm going to use this line for a nearer term level. Sure, these levels down here still pertain, but from the presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. One of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level, and if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? That would be if the price can stay above $3.20. Now, with that being said, don't get me wrong. I am not saying that if the price falls below $3.20 that the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a massive sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 320, that would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact that the party finally stopped today on several occasions right up around $3.45. So $3.45 is going to be, like I said, that initial level going forward. Overall, though, what matters the most is what this chart has already been doing, and that is just chipping away with those higher lows. As long as higher lows continue to be built as time goes by, that's what you want to see. So sit back and, like I said, just let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.